In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connections. Then click on More Connection Settings at the bottom and tap on Printing. After that, you can click on the Footprint service right away and wait. Your device is searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use a different service, turn off this one first thanks to blue switcher at the top. Go back, click on Download plugin and install the best printing service for you. When it's ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!